Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let me just talk you through this prom look that I did. So I'm just cleaning the model's face. I shaped up her eyebrows a bit. This was the first time she's ever had her brows shaped, and she was a bit anxious, so I didn't take off too much at all, really just enough for me to be able to shape her brows as I liked it to be. I initially sprayed her face with Prep Skindinavia priming spray. I shaped her brows with Morphe's brow liner. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, it's from Morphe brushes anyway. So yeah, there's just me just shaping it up a little bit for her. And I was just deepening the hairs on her brows were quite sparse, so I was just filling them in and making them a little bit thicker looking. There's me just thinning out the front of the brow, and then I went in with, I think it was Toffee. No, it was I think Beautiful Beige by LA Girl. Pro Concealer. So I'm just shaping her brows and priming her lids with the same concealer. It just allows for the eyeshadow to go on a lot more smoother and stays on for a long time. I don't know if you noticed, I also just primed her face a little bit because I could see her nose was getting a bit oily, so I just primed it with a bit of I think it was Becca I used. And here I'm just using Juvias Pallettes. I think that's a festival palette I used for this look. Yeah, so that's me just blending away. And I decided to do a bit of a cut crease, a soft cut crease. So I just carved out her brow, her lid with the same concealer I'd used to prime her lids. And I decided to do a bit of a rose goldy look for a prom look. But you can have this look for a party, any type of a dinner, you know. So here you can see me putting on some lashes. I don't know where the footage went for the lining, putting the liner on, but yeah, I put liner on, and then I put a bit more primer. Then I went in with Burberry's Cashmere foundation, is their matte foundation in Almond, and then I went in with the darker color of Burberry's, I can't remember which one it was, in I'll put it in the description box, a bit darker. So it just took away less product in terms of concealer. I didn't have to use as much concealer because I used the technique of you know, using a lighter foundation for the middle of the face and then the round of the face, so it just gives the face a bit more dimension. I did use a little bit of concealer just to give it a bit more of a highlighted look. Sorry, that's my son shouting. But yeah, a bit more of a highlighted look under the eye. And then I set the under eye with Laura Mercier. And then I went in with two different, well, I used the darker powder for the contour, and to set the whole for the contour, it's from LA Girl. I need to check what it was. And then I set the whole face with Ruby Kisses. I can't remember the color. Then I just lined the under eye with black liner, and I just defined the wing a little bit more. Then I went in with one of the red that I had gone in at the top for her under eye. And then here you can see I'm using a little bit of blusher from Juvias Places, the burnt orange. And once again, I don't remember what it's called, but I will get it for you. I did put highlight on, but you can't see it in the pictures or in the video, but I did put Juvias Place highlighter on. Here I'm going in with unbranded liquid lipsticks from Wish. I used a burgundy liner, and then I went in with a darker red burgundy, and then I went with a bit of like an luminous pink. So yeah, here's the final look. We decided to play about a little bit, so we put her in a crown. It's the before and after. And so yeah, we decided to play about a little bit to, you know, see how it would look. And the pictures came out nice, so I thought I'd just add those to it as well. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. Please do comment, like and subscribe. Do let me know if you want me to do any specific types of looks, and yeah, I'll do my very best to adhere and cater to you. So yeah, hope you like it. Do like, comment, subscribe. Take care, stay blessed, guys. Bye.